So hello everyone. So in the previous video we have seen the basic usage of the Milvus DB, and we have also talked about the consistency levels in the Milvus. Okay. So in this video what we'll be seeing, we will be seeing a much more real world usage of the Milvus DB. Okay. So we have the raw.json which contains the menu for the restaurant. Okay. So it's like that, the cuisine, the taste type, the cuisine whether it's Indian, Italian or whatever, then the taste type whether it's a savory or sweet dish, then is it what type of course, is it main course or starter, then what's the name, then some details, the price, the rating. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are just loading this data. We have again using the OpenAI client for the embedding model, and we are loading this the Milvus DB. Okay, now this is the helper function to load the records, to read the JSON file and load the records in this records array. Then we are just loading the records in this rows array. Then we are creating embeddings. So here we are using IP, which is the NR product, and when we use NR product, we ideally need to do this L2 normalization. This is needed. So basically when you use IP in our product, it usually create much high dimensions which needs to be normalized. For the hello world it is not needed, but for production it is needed. If you don't want to use it, you can use the metric type as cosine. Okay, then this is the reset collection function, which is that's dropping if this collection exists, and it's recreating it with this metric type as IP in our product, and consistency level is bounded, and we are calling it reset collection. Then this is the to insert array. This just is looping over rows, creating the embeddings for this name, cuisine, taste type or course, and it's creating a doc, and it's inserting that, and it's adding it to this array. And once all this is done, then we are just inserting in batch to the Milvus DB. And this is the search restaurant function, which this is a scalar search. We are not using it because this also can be done via MySQL or unstructured database. But here what we're interested in is the semantic search, the embedding search basically. Okay, so this is the function we have created for the semantic search. Okay, so here we have created one vector basis these four fields: name of dish, hyphen cuisine, hyphen taste type, hyphen course, and we have created the embeddings for this and store it in the vector. Okay, and yeah, and in the semantic search function we have got the query text. All these other parameters or options we are not use it, except for we can use it by sorting. We have not used it because we are here mainly focused toward the semantic search. We have the query text. We have just created the embeddings for this. If you want to sort by something, we have sorted it here, and we have created the filters here if you want to filter it out something, and we had just searched it over the Milvus DB, and this is just sorting. Okay, so let's run it. And we have load these clients. We are now just, this will take time. So as you can see, this is running. This is the embeddings are creating. Okay, so embeddings are creating for this string paneer tikka hyphen North Indian hyphen savory hyphen starter. So let's say your query is tell me some North Indian dishes. It can simply give you all those dishes of the North Indian dishes without actually doing a structured query like MySQL, where type is this, course is main course or starter. It's actually search basis embeddings. Okay, this is done. I'll just run this semantic search function once. Yeah, this is done. And now my query is some North Indian dish. Okay, it's search North Indian dishes. Okay, and I can also give sort by, let's say this is the sorting is off 3.8 4.4, so it's not sorted. Let's try this. Sort by rating. What's the parameter? Sort order is descending. Let's try this. Yeah, it works. So now as you can see, the sorted is basis the rating, and you can also sort it via price. I just do it. Yeah, so now it's sorted. The 560s come above, then 530, then 480, 480, and so on and so forth. Okay, so as you can see, this is now searching over embeddings. And if you want, I already also have a function, and this is a simple scalar search. What should I say? It's working simple like MySQL, where cuisine is Italian, taste type is none. Basically we are not passing taste type filter, then cuisine. there must be some error. Okay, so I just commented it. Yeah, so it's given us the Italian's starter sorted by rating, as you can see. So in production, both are used. So we usually filter some results, then do the semantic search, and then get the results. Okay. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will be using this RAG data, and we will create a chatbot over. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you.